I don't need monster truck. I have this everywhere. I will show it down. I will show it. Wait, why is teeth? Wait, what? Oh yeah, he do have that in the butt, but not right there. But he do have that. Double. Oh, that why. Double. Okay. It's sushi. Yeah. I found it. I'm supposed to do her hair. Have the boys. Okay. I don't know who. This is Zach's monster truck, and this is my green glitter Stitch.